Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a try-on haul, and I haven't done one of these since like early 2020. I don't know about y'all, but ever since like COVID hit, I've done nothing but wear sweats in the house because I haven't gone anywhere. But lately I've been shopping at a couple different places because I don't know, like I'm tired of it. I don't know, I feel like sometimes when you get dressed up, even if you're not going anywhere, it just makes you feel good about yourself, right? So I'm like, look, even if I gotta get cute for Instagram, all right, just for a picture, I'm gonna do that. As you can see by the title, today's video is on Fashion Nova. I haven't shopped from Fashion Nova since 2016, 17, I don't know, somewhere around there. But the only way they were going to get me to shop from them is by collabing with Megan Thee Stallion. If you guys didn't know, she just got her own Fashion Nova collection, which I've got here in this bag. So I saw some things. I have a vision. We're gonna see how it actually translates once I put it on. So if you guys want to see that, then let's go. Okay, so here's the thing. Megan Thee Stallion is like 5'10", if you guys didn't know, and she emphasized that this collection was gonna be for the tall girls. I am 5'4", on a good day. So she had things that actually said, you know, like these are like tall section of the collection. So I tried, you know, ducking, dodging those, and they had other ones that were supposed to be, you know, like a regular size, I guess. But I'm seeing it in person, and I'm like, are you sure this my 5'4" self can fit in this? So I saw her in these jeans, and I wanted these so bad. If you guys have seen the brand Jaded London, they're the ones who first put me on to like that patchwork type of jeans, and I wanted one from them, but the one that they have, either, I don't know, it's not in stock anymore, or like they just discontinued that style. So when I saw these on Megan, I was like, one, I want that type of pants, and two, it's for Megan, so you know, I can go ahead and support my girl. But again, I'm looking at them in person now, and I'm like, I don't know about this one. Okay, so these are the pants, and actually they're not that bad. I'll try to get my phone to give you like a full view so you can see what I'm working with on the bottom. But I feel like this actually isn't that bad, especially, you know, if I pull the pants like all the way up where they're supposed to sit. It's not that bad. This is what we're working with. These are in a small, yeah, because this one came in small, medium, large, stuff like that, not numbers. Okay, I'll give Fashion Nova one thing. Their jeans actually make you look really good. Well, if you get them in the right sizing. Their jeans actually make you look really nice, so I'll give Fashion Nova that. But I like the actual design of these pants, and I feel like they fit well for what I was going for. Now, mind you, both of the pants that I got, I didn't intend on wearing with flat shoes. No, not even like flat boots, like either heeled shoes or heeled boots. Not even sneakers. So I'm not that mad as far as like the bottoms go for someone who is 5'4". I feel like there's like a, I'd say like an inch, 2 inches of extra fabric. But again, I planned on wearing them with heels, so I'm not worried about that. But the color I'm here for, where it sits I'm here for, how it sits. Okay, Megan. Okay, the next two tops I'm just gonna try on with these pants because I don't feel like going to find things that would make sense with them, but I'm just letting y'all know, like, I wouldn't wear these two things together, okay? But the first thing is this mesh top, which I don't even remember buying. I was like, I had to go back to the email, like, did I buy this? It says that I did, so okay. But my thing is, like, when I go shopping on sites for clothing, I'll add everything that I'm even considering to the cart, and then I go through the cart and I'm like, I don't want you, I guess I forgot to take this out. So I own it now, but this is what it looks like. It is a mesh crop top type thing. It's mesh, okay, it's see-through. I do have the brown bra underneath, so it probably isn't that noticeable, but like, it's in person, if you're not wearing anything underneath the top, like everything is going to show, just letting you know. If you want to wear it that way, you can also wear it that way. It's also a pretty customizable top. Like, you can tie it in the front, tie it in the back. This is what the back looks like. And I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. I am actually like all the way here for animal print on clothing. I'm saying that especially for one of the other things I have to show you guys. You know, cow print, zebra, I was about to say Libra, cheetah, leopard is what I was thinking of. You name it, like, I'm all the way here for it. Snake print. I know some people think it's like, you know, childish, tacky, all that stuff, but I like it on clothes. So when I saw it, maybe that's why I added it to the cart. And I've seen that Megan likes that as well, so it makes sense that it's in the collection. But yeah, pretty simple, you know, a little flimsy, but yeah, I wasn't expecting that much at this top, which is probably why I thought I took it out of the cart. Okay, so don't laugh. This is the next top, which I thought is cute. I think it's cute. The thing is, I'm like, how do I put this on? I'll have the pictures of all the things popping up on the screen, but I'm like, how do I put this on? Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the bottom, okay. So then, wait, no. Okay, so this is the bottom, and now, cause it's supposed to cross over, it's like that. So, okay, we can figure this out. I did it. It took a minute. It took some retries. I had to take it off and put it back on. I got stuck in some places, but I was able to get the top on, and this is what it looks like. It looks, you know, I'm wearing it the same way she's wearing it in the picture. I really like this. I love the color of this. Like, that's an easy way to sell me. Give me that like brownish chocolate type of color. I'm gonna buy like every part of the collection that comes in that color. I like the crisscross like this. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with a bra, or at least like not one like this, because it does cut deep down into here. But even without the bra, like you'd be, because it has a little like built-in cup thing here, you know, and it goes around your neck, so you'd have support that way. Like it doesn't look right with a bra that way. I think both tops, yeah, both this one and the one that I tried on before are in a small. Feel fine with that. I don't remember if this comes in extra small. Like, I feel like extra small would have been a little too tight. You know, that's something I gotta keep in mind when buying tops because of the top. I'm trying to think how I feel. Anything else about? Oh, the only thing that I don't like is that this little piece here that sits in between your boobs, like it's really flimsy. Like, so if you really got the girls up there, like this could easily get crushed, easily be disfigured the way it's supposed to be, because it's just like really flimsy. Maybe it's from sitting in between there, but I don't, that's the only thing about this that I don't like. But other than that, I really like this, you know, think like a pencil skirt type thing. I feel like this could be a look, which we'll see, because again, for right now, at least, I'm only dressing these things up for like Instagram. So we'll be on the lookout for how I piece these things together, okay? So this is the next thing I got. I was actually wearing the skirt with the other brown top that I had on, and they still go together, so it's nice to have options. It's nice to know that you can wear those two together as well. But this is a two-piece set that comes together. It's the top, and then it's this skirt that has a very high slit. And again, with the top, like it's customizable, so you can tie it in the front, tie it in the back. I kind of like the way that I tied it so that it's like touching over the skirt, so I don't know, in my head, it looks a little more one piece outfit than this actually being two different pieces. But if you wanted to show, like, you know, show top up here and skirt down there, you can do that as well. With the skirt, you know, it is pretty, ooh, wait a minute. Okay, I just had to make sure, right? Because I swear I felt the breeze back there. What I was going to say is, with the way this is cut, I feel like a lot of people would be worried about having like a slip if for any reason this was to blow that way. But I feel like it's over enough. And mind you, like, I'm not wearing granny panties, but I have on, what do they call those? Cheeksters? No, listen, they're not thongs, but they're not granny panties either. Whatever is in the middle for underwear, I feel like you can't see it, and I feel like you really have to be doing a lot with the bottom, or like it's really windy for you to have a slip. You know, you go commando that day. So that's that on the skirts. Other than that, I feel like this is really cute. This is what it looks like. If I turn around, I'm on my tippy toes, so you can see more of the skirt, because again, 5'4". I like the top, you know, roll the sleeves up if you want to. Again, tie it any way that you want to. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this. Like, I saw it, and I saw it on the models, and I was like, oh, that looks cute. But then when it was, you know, like shipping, I was like, maybe I shouldn't have gotten that. But seeing it in person, I like it. I don't know. Again, this might be one of those, like, okay, I'm getting tired of being on my toes. Might be one of those, like, it depends on how you style it, how you do that. So we'll keep a lookout for that, but I like it, you know? I don't regret getting it, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, this is why I gave that little disclaimer earlier about liking animal print, because I knew this was coming up in the haul. So I actually wouldn't wear these two things together. It's a little too matchy for me, and you know, it is a little too bold. Maybe if it was like leopard, I could see myself wearing it together, but that's why I like sets. I like sets because you have the option of wearing it this way, you have the option of wearing this with a different bottom, or the bottom with a different top, and again, we like options. We like getting the best for the money that we spent, right? So that's why I like them, but I do not see myself. I have an outfit in mind with these pants, and it's not with this top, but it was there, so I was like, let me get it because I can wear the top with something else as well. However, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this set, and it has nothing to do with the actual set. It has more to do with the sizing of this. I got the top and I almost fell over, but yeah, with this top, you know when you put on a top that's too small, so it's, or too tight, and it starts like smushing your boobs down in a very unflattering way. I'm feeling real unflattered right now. It's like it fits, it closed, but I don't know, I just don't like how it's a little too tight up there. And then when it comes to the pants, like they're too big here. These are actually numbered pants. So the other ones came in like small, medium, large, whatever. This one was, you know, 1, 3, 5, 7. I got these in a 5. I fit the 5 everywhere except for the waist area. So you see how it's like all that space there. It's giving me like bubble like here in this area of the pants. I mean, I feel like a belt should be fine there. I don't really like wearing belts, but it fits like everywhere else. And with the, again, because short and it's like a tall girl collection, there's only like, all right, getting tired, there's only like one extra inch of fabric, so I'm not that mad at the pants. Again, it's just like this area, but other than that, I feel like she's cute. It's a cute little set. This might be like a wear the whole set for, again, Instagram, but like wearing it out, a little too spotlightish for me, doing the most as far as this set goes. But other than that, no complaints. From putting on and taking off the zebra top to putting this on, trying not to get makeup on, so I had to put the bag over. I'm out of breath, y'all. But this is the last thing that I have to show you guys, this little matching set, matching crop top turtleneck, and this matching little mini skirt that goes with it. I only connected one side because, you know, I feel like these little like buckle thingies take it from like a basic crop top to a little less basic by adding these. So you can wear it just, you know, hang free, or you can connect it. So I'm showing you, you know, connected versus non-connected. I wouldn't wear it with this, so let me take this off. So I would just wear this like this. Again, liking sets, you can wear this set like this, or you can wear top on its own, skirt on its own with other things. And then this is what she'd be giving you. I like this. I actually really like the top just for these little things here dangling. And then the skirt, hopefully, you know, because I'm really, like, this is showing me how short I actually am, but hopefully you can see where the skirt actually comes to on me. And yeah, I feel like it's pretty basic, so it doesn't need that much explaining. But these are the set. Yeah, it comes together. This is in a small. Everything is in a small, I believe, except for the zebra top that was a extra small. So those were all the things that I got in my order. I'm just gonna wrap the video up in this outfit. I'd say this one, the brown 2-piece, and then the patchwork jeans were my favorite things that I got from this collection. Ooh, voice. Listen, when I tell y'all, like, trying this stuff left me out of breath, okay? Left me out of breath, got your right sizing. But everything else was just okay that I tried in this haul. Really, like I said, I only bought it for the Megan connection. Capitalism got me again. But like I also said in the beginning of this video, like I have placed a couple orders from a couple different stores. Let me know if you guys want more try on haul videos. You know, gonna see how this goes, see how you guys like them, and then yeah, we'll keep the content coming. So I hope seeing me trying on this stuff has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking the collection out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.